got this baby soft-shelled turtle. Pretty cool dude. I've never seen one this small. He's like, get away from me, get away from me. Hey guys, this is Nathan Mann, your host of Beards and Bows Outdoors. Today I'm just showing you how we catch crawfish, or we call them crawdads, by hand using just a net and a stick. That's all you need, a net and a stick. You put this net behind them and you put the stick in their face and they will back right into the net. Are you ready, buddy?
Yeah.
Let's show them how it's done.
I got one! My first Crawdad.
Awesome, good job. So you want to grab, look.
Oh, like this?
Right, yep, just like that, bud.
Oh, it's...
Where are you, mud bugs? Ooh, that's a big one there. Gotcha, that's a good one. Catching crawdads for bait. Good job, buddy. Hey, that's fine, they'll still eat. Bigger ones might be here in the shade. There's one, buddy. Right here. Right there. Oh, there's two of them. Got him.
Oh, I see one. Oh, that's a big one.
Where'd he go?
Right.
Oh, wait. Ooh, that's a cool colored looking one. Get him. Man, where'd that one go, buddy? That was a nice colored one. There he is. I got him. I'll get him.
Yes.
Yeah. That's a cool looking one right there. Really red one there.
Get in some water because...
Look, buddy.
I give...
What kind of fish did you catch?
A good fish.
What kind?
I don't know.
It's a bass, buddy.
I'm gonna let it go.
Okay, let him go.
Bye-bye. I got one. I got a small one.
We got a double, buddy. We both got one at the same time. Went through a hole in the net. You got him?
I got him.
You got him. Good job, buddy. Man, we got a lot. That's a real good one.
I got a big one.
You got a big one? Let me see.
But the tail is down.
Oh, that's a good one, buddy. That's a big one there. That's how you get them right there. Yep, we both caught one, buddy. Oh, well, you lost yours. That's all right. I'm just plenty in here, and we got tons of them in here. Let's take a look. Whoa, Elijah! Bring the bucket in the lid. Put the bucket lid on. There's a bunch over here. Come here, I got a big one.
That's a fat one.
This guy's got no pinchers.
Oh! Yay!
He's got no pinchers. Got it.
I got one.
Beards and Bows out.